So, you guys remember this heater?
This is a Lakewood model 798 heater. But as you can see, it doesn't look like your typical Lakewood heater. It's a 240 volt heater. Now, with that being said, (16.7 amps on 240 volts. Look at those heating elements and the fan in the back. And it's nichrome wire. It weighs 16, almost 17 pounds. 4,000 watts of power. It's made in the United States, there. If I'm going too fast, sorry, just pause the video. Okay. Oh shit. We have light. Oh my gosh.
November 7th, 2008, I bought this brand new. Today's date is November 1st, 2020. And you might notice it might look a bit different. What happened, as I mentioned in the original video, this heater was the last model year Lakewood ever made this model. And Lakewood during that time was obviously having financial trouble, and they didn't skimp on the quality of the parts. I mean, they did get rid of some things like the chrome tip-over bars and the chrome handle on top, but what they skimped on was the paint job, particularly on the inside. It was bare steel, and after 11 years, it's got a bunch of surface rust, light surface rust, nothing harmful, just because it's bare, and it started to show through the vents on the sides and stuff, and I figured it was time to fully disassemble it. Since I owned it twice, we've maintenanced the motor on it. Cleaned and fully lubricated, and it still runs nice and smooth. The paint on it is Rust-Oleum high temperature paint, stuff you'd use on like grills and stuff. Both the cabinet and the front grill cover has been repainted in high temperature paint, inside and out, thoroughly covering any, we cleaned it and, thoroughly covering any surface rust or anything on it. The label has been, I took it off, ran it through the laminator and put it back on, so the label is now laminated. And everything else is all original. Original power cord, original label on the cord still. Everything's original. It never once tripped the thermal overload and caution light, because it uses the same type of thermostat you'd find in a like, you know, in your dryer. It's not a cheap bimetallic strip type that fails and trips falsely as it wears out. It's actually it truly is an industrial commercial heater. There we go. It just shut off, and it has really good spin down time on the fan. This is the first time it's been powered on this year. First time it's been powered on since I repainted it. Had a bit of that paint smell at first, but it quickly went away. So yeah, 12 years later, no repairs done, and it just keeps working. Just now it has a fresh paint job. And only difference between 2008 and now is it's now controlled by a wall thermostat from the outlet for out here. And it's again trouble free. It's a shame. People would much rather buy the China Pride than have a good heater. And Lakewood still use quality parts, and it's just they unfortunately skimped on the paint job a bit. But I was able to fix that. I think it looks rather good. Couldn't find a darker exterior color to try to match the original, but it's close. It's still silver. It looks kind of cool like this anyways. So yeah, there you go. 12 years later, still chugging along, still keeping us warm in the workshop. And that's all I gotta say about that. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe.